Let us take you through the meaning of Hanuman Chalisa. श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुरु सुधारी बरनौ रघुबर बिमल जसु जो दायकु फल चारी. Meaning, by touching the lotus feet of the Lord like Hanuman, let me cleanse my mind, as glorying Ram fetches me the four spiritual fruits dharma, artha, kama and moksha. बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेस विकार. I must acknowledge that I lack intelligence, and with great humility meditate upon Hanuman, the son of wind god, who will grant me strength, intelligence and education and remove my negative mindset. जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर, जय कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर. I salute you, Hanuman, the ocean of knowledge and good qualities. Glory be to the monkey god, who illuminates three worlds with his glorious deeds. राम दूत अतुलित बलधामा, अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुतनामा. Hanuman is not only the divine messenger of Sri Ram, the son of Anjana, and Pavan is also the repository of infinite strength. Mahavir Vikram Bajrangi, Kumati Nivar Sumati ke Sanghi. Hanuman, the one with limbs as strong as the mace of Lord Indra, your good sense and wisdom dispels the darkness of evil thoughts. Kanchan Varan Viraj Subesa, Kanan Kundal Kunchit Kesa. Hanuman has skin of a golden hue, and his dress suits him. He wears earrings and has a nice mane of shiny hair. हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा विराजे, कांधे मूंज जनेऊ साजे. Hanuman carries in his hands a lightning bolt and a victory flag, and the sacred thread called Janehu is visible on his shoulder. Shankar Suvan Kesari Nandan Tej Pratap Mahajagbandan. Hanuman is a descendant of Lord Shankar or Shiva, and his inner light shines across the universe. Vidyavan Guni Ati Chatur Ram Kaj Karibe Ko Atur. Educated, clever and full of good qualities, you are ever ready to fulfill any duties assigned by Lord Rama. प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया, राम लखन सीता मन बसिया. Hanuman is an ardent listener of stories of Ram, relishing very detail. No wonder you have a secure place in the hearts of Ram, Sita and Lakshman. सूक्ष्म रूप धरी सिया ही दिखावा, विकट रूप धरी लंक जरावा. Hanuman is multifaceted. When he appeared before Sita, he was a small monkey, but when he had to burn Lanka, he assumed his huge form. भीम रूप धरी असुर संहारे, रामचंद्र के काज संवारे. Using your overwhelming might, you destroyed the asuras, and using your innate skills, you carried out all tasks assigned by Lord Ram. लाए संजीवन लखन जी आए, श्री रघुवीर हर्षि उर्लाए. You fetched the rare herb called Sanjeevani and restored Lakshmana back to life, making Sri Raghuveer immensely happy. रघुपति कीनी बहुत बढ़ाई, तुम मम प्रिय भरत ही संभाई. Raghupati was elated over your endeavor and told you that you were as dear to him as his own brother Bharat. सहस बदन तुमरो जस गावे, अस कही सरपथि कंठ लगावे. Saying that thousands of people will sing your praises, Sri Ram gave Hanuman a warm hug. Sankadik Brahmadi Munisa, Narad Sarad Sahit Ahisa. When Sanka, Brahma, Narad, Saraswati and Ahisha could not help admiring your glories. यम कुबेर दिग्पाल जहां ते, कवि कोविद कही सके कहां ते. Whenever Yam, Kuber, and Digpals, the deputies guarding the four corners of the universe, are unable to do you justice, how can a mere poet like me describe you in mere words? तुम उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीन्हा, राम मिलाए राजपद दीन्हा. Hanuman, you rendered a great service to Sugriva by uniting him with Ram and installing him again on the royal throne. तुम्हरो मंत्र विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना. It was because the humble Vibhishana followed your advice that he succeeded in becoming the king of Lanka, as the whole world knows by now. युग सहस्त्र जो जन पर भानु, लील्यो ताहि मधुर फल जानू. As a child, Hanuman, you raced to the sun, imagining it to be a fruit. प्रभु मुद्रिका मेली मुख माही, जलधि लाग गए अचरज नाही. Carrying the Lord's signet ring in your mouth, is it any wonder that you easily leaped across a huge sea? दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते, सुगम अनुग्रह तुमरे तेते. The burden of the most difficult tasks of the world become light when your kind grace shines on us. राम दुवारे तुम रखवारे, होत न आज्ञा बिन पैसारे. You are the sentry at the door of Shri Ram's divine abode, and no one can enter without your permission. सब सुख लगे तुम्हारी सरना, तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना. All the comforts of the world lie at your feet. When you are there, why should I be afraid? आपन तेज सम्हारो आपे, तीनों लोग हाँकते कांपे. You alone can carry your own splendid powers. The three worlds tremble when you show your real strengths. भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे. All the ghosts, demons and evil forces dare not come near at the mere mention of Mahavir's name. नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा. All diseases are healed and all sufferings vanishes when one recites Hanuman's name. संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे. When one focuses on Hanuman with our mind, work and thought, all sorrows just vanishes. सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा. All who worship Shri Ram, you make all their difficult tasks seem very easy. और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे. Whosoever comes to you for fulfillment of any desire with faith and sincerity, he alone will secure the imperishable fruit of life. चारों जुग प्रताप तुम्हारा, है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा. Across the four great ages, the fame of your amazing glory is spread far and wide. साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे. You are the guardian of saints and sages, and destroyer of all demons. You are also the darling of Ram. अष्ट सिद्धि नौ निधि के दाता, उस वर दीन जानकी माता. You can grant to anyone your yogic power of the 8 siddhis, a boon gifted by Mother Janki. राम रसायन तुम्हरे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा. You possess the power of devotion to Shri Ram. You will forever remain the most dedicated disciple of Ram. तुम्हरे भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे. Singing your bhajans help us reach Ram and remove all sufferings of several births. अंत काल रघुवरपुर जाई, जहां जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई. If at the time of death one remembers Ram, one gets the life of one's choice. और देवता चित्त न धरी, हनुमत से ही सर्व सुख करी. One need not pray to any other deity when Hanuman is there, as he alone can grant all that you need. संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलबीरा. One is freed from all sufferings and pains when one thinks of Shri Hanuman. जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई. जय श्री हनुमान, bless me in your capacity as the supreme guru. जो सतबार पाठ कर कोई, छूटी बंधी महासुख होई. One who recites the Hanuman Chalisa 100 times becomes free from the bondages of life and death and enjoys the highest bliss. जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा होए सिद्धि साखी गौरीसा. Whoever reads the Hanuman Chalisa, he will reap spiritual glory. तुलसीदास सदा हरिचेरा कीजे नाथ हृदय माडेरा. Tulsidas, the poet who wrote the Hanuman Chalisa, thinks of himself as a slave of Hanuman who wishes to live within Hanuman permanently in his heart. पवन तनय संकट हरण मंगल मूर्ति रूप राम लखन सीता सहित हृदय बसौ सुरभूप. O son of the wind god and destroyer of all miseries, please reside in my heart along with Ram, Sita and Lakshman.